Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So basically, first of all, we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. However, no worries if you've got a different browser which you're usually using, then this process should look quite similar. So let's open the browser, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then let's enter the history, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously opened websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but you can also tap on clear browsing data in order to do it automatically, and it will be useful if in your case this list is long. So here we've got some basics. We can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advance we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So let's pretend I want to remove everything. We can change also the time range to, for example, all time, and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.